new joiner or in terms of code mentality? No,
No.
right? So that is why we should, because is this, yeah, and if you add the notes here, okay, create the note and all, if you give proper naming convention to each and every component, that's pretty easy.
Correct. Correct. Yeah.
If I say filter, new, change. For me, I don't need to go again to filter and check what is that. It says filter new change, right? Like that. If I say here that update existing IDs or yeah, or mark inactive, like whatever it is, right? So existing ID. Yes, I don't need to go inside, right? Yeah. Okay, guys. Yeah. So probably we can practice this tomorrow. Okay, on the SC type 2. Yeah. So I want you guys to
Can you
practice.
share that DDLs, anything like
Which detail? Okay,
that
this one.
that sequence and for
Yeah, yeah,
SCD?
sure. Yeah, I think on SC2 I did not add the surrogate key, but yeah, if you did not, you can just add it. Okay, I'm sending on you on on the chat.
That sequence also, like we need to create sequence also.
Yeah, I shared both. So in Informatica, what we were doing is we were using the expression transformation, right? So what we used to get some first the max of surrogate key from my target table, then assign that to a variable, right? And then use the expression transformation, calculate the increment your surrogate key by one, right? So yeah, so here we should not use that, right? I mean, I don't think if that is possible or not, but if you want to check, you can check using calculator, but I'm not sure on that part. But
But like in ATL tool, like single stage, like it is possible update and insert or inserted update kind of
yes,
things are possible. But here, like we have a differentiate. Like
yes,
for every process, we have a different component.
yes, yes,
Here
exactly.
altogether we can use one component which is related to ETL, like all the functionalities possible.
Yes,
But to differentiate needs to know clearly and we can.
yeah,
Right.
yeah, yeah. So it's all about practicing, right? I mean, guys, correct. Uh,
Yeah,
and the documentation is pretty good actually. When you go to documentation.matillion.com, right? So you can get started with your orchestration and transformation, right? Both jobs. If you simply go to orchestration transformation job, you have the same thing: join, read, transform, write. If you go to write, we have, let's say, table update. If you go table update, simply, right? The same properties, and everything is given there. So that is pretty good documentation, I would say. And the thing is for Redshift, BigQuery, right? This is important. The same component is available for different versions of Matlin as well. Snaps and all. Delta Lake. And yeah, I think yeah, someone was asking for example. I think they have given example for each and every component if you see. Yeah. Again, if you go rate table, yeah, they have the component example at the end. Okay. And if you give to table output, right? Yeah, yeah, for some of the things they have, for some of the things they do not have. Not sure why. Okay.
can you add access, Nitin, to access these things which you created, your project?
What you need? You need the jobs?
Yeah, yeah. I'll go through the jobs and I'll create my own.
Sure, sure. Yeah, yeah.
And I
What
should.
I can do, I can provide an export of your job and you can import it. Okay. Uh, so this project access I will provide you at the end. Uh, so I have your email ID. What I will do now, I will share these important jobs with your email, and definitely I will share my training jobs, always the few of the jobs which I have tried, my trials. I will share these with you. Okay, later on.
That like needs to log in, right? You can share that IP also today.
So today you need this instance to be on for practice.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you want to practice now or at what time during
After
today evening?
I'll today evening I'll SMS. I'll ping you.
Yeah. So ping on that our Matillion group. Okay.
Okay.
So I will keep this on
Hmm.
maybe for 3 hours, 4 hours, whatever you need to do.
Okay. That
Max
one
10.
like you can share
Then
that export like directly I can import. Like once you share through
correct.
mail.
Yeah. You just import. You just go to your project, click on import, and select your JSON, which I will share. Just import it. Okay.
Okay. Okay, Nitin.
Yeah.
I'll,
Yeah.
I'll
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
understand this SAD2 is
Yeah. Yeah.
important,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. No. No. No.
SAD2.
Yes. Yes. Little bit. See, if you understand the SC2 concept, then it's easy.
Yeah,
Okay.
like I'll go for SE
Yeah.
type 1 also, just you can share type 1 and type 2
Yeah.
the
Yeah. Sure.
two
Sure. Yeah.
jobs.
Yeah.
I'll practice type
Yeah.
1
So
first, then,
sure. Sure. No. No. I can share all these. So I will share all these jobs.
yeah, that is good only. That is
Yeah.
good only. Like
Yeah. But
instead
the
of
remaining
directly
jobs.
copying,
Yeah.
if I create, then I can get some knowledge. Yeah, agree. Thank you.
Yeah. But that is what. Yeah. Don't copy it. I mean, try to create it. That is what I. That is why I refused to share these earlier. But yeah, I can share these jobs with you. You can import in your project and you can just go over through that, whatever you feel. Okay.
Thank you very much, Nitin.
Yeah. Sure then. Yeah, I think guys, yeah, we can stop for today. So tomorrow, let's check few things on the Git integration. We'll just see the basic things on the Git integration part. And maybe if possible, you can try SRE type 2 today. Okay. And then we'll move to our next Python and the Bash scripts component in Matillion and how to use that. Okay.
All right.
Sure. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.
Okay, bye.